Good morning, boys and girls. Today we are going to trace the letters, say the sound, and then we're going to read a little passage on AI and AY, and then we're going to do the sight words. So what I want you to do, I want you to put your fingers up, say the sound along with me. C, cat, k. A, apple, a. M, mask, m. G, gate, g. D, dog, d. T, tent, st. S, sun, s. F, fan, f. Q, queen, qu. No English word ends in Q. It is always followed by a U. N, nest, n. L, lock, ul. B, ball, b. I, igloo, I. H, hat, h. J, jet, j. No English word ends in J. K, key, k. O, octopus, ah. P, pot, p. U, umbrella, W, web, w. Z, zebra, z. X, fox. Y, yo-yo, y. Second sound. Y, happy, e. At the end of a long word. Third sound. Y, cry, I. At the end of a short word. R, rat, V, van, v. No English word ends in V. It is always followed by E. E, egg, F. F, L, S, Z, double. At the end of a one-syllable word after a short vowel. SH, ship, sh. TH, thumb, th. CK, sock. At the end of a short word after a short vowel. CH, chair, ch. WH, whistle, w. TCH, match, ch. At the end of a short word after a short vowel. Magic E words. A, consonant, magic E. Ape, A. What does the E do to the A? Make it say its name. The name is A. The sound is A. I, consonant, magic E. Pine, I. What does the E do to the I? Make it say its name. The name is I. The sound is I. O, consonant, magic E. Home, O. What does the E do to the O? Make it say its name. And the name is O. And the sound is O. U, consonant, magic E. Mule and rule. What does E do to the U? Make it say its name. And the name is U. And the sound is U or U. E, consonant, magic E. Eve, E. What does the E do to the E? Make it say its name. And the name is E. And the sound is E. Vowel teams. E, feet, E. Position, in the middle of the word. OA, boat, O. Position, in the middle of the word. AI, rain, A. Position, in the middle of the word. AY, play, A. Position, at the end of the word. Okay, so this is a little story that I want you to read along with me. All right, these are AI and AY words. Okay, read along. Hooray for today. Hooray, the rain has gone away today. I don't have to stay inside and wait. Now I can go outside and play. Hooray, the rain has gone away today. I will spray my dog Jay with water, and he will run away. Hooray, the rain has gone away today. My brain will relax without strain. I will paint my play train gray. Hooray, the rain has gone away today. I'll lay on the hay and soak up the sun rays all day. Tomorrow I hope the sun will shine its rays and the rain will stay far away. Okay, now this is the words of the week. I want you to put your fingers up and trace along with me. Both. B-O-T-H, both. Again, both. B-O-T-H, both. Eyes closed, both. B-O-T-H, both. The girls both have teddy bears. Next word, together. Fingers up. Say it with me. Together. T-O-G-E-T-H-E-R. Together. Again, together. T-O-G-E-T-H-E-R. Together. Eyes closed. Together. T-O-G-E-T-H-E-R. Together. The family ate dinner together. Next word, group. Fingers up. G-R-O-U-P. Group. Again, group. G-R-O-U-P. Group. Eyes closed. Group. G-R-O-U-P. Group. The birds were flying in a group. Often. Fingers up. Often. O-F-T-E-N. Often. Often. O-F-T-E-N. Often. Again, often. O-F-T-E-N. Often. I wash my hands often to take away all the germs. I wash my hands often to take away all the germs. Important. Fingers up. I-M-P-O-R-T-A-N-T. Important. Again, important. I-M-P-O-R-T-A-N-T. Important. Eyes closed. Important. I-M-P-O-R-T-A-N-T. Important. It is important to read every day. Now, what I want you to do, I want you to take out a paper or a notebook, and I want you to write the words 5 times each and put it on Class Dojo. Okay, and don't forget to practice these words and sight words every day this week.